Discover the incredible health benefits of turmeric milk.
Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk or turmeric latte, is a traditional Indian drink that has gained popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits. It is made by combining warm milk with turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine. Turmeric milk has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to treat various ailments and is now gaining recognition in the Western world as a superfood. Turmeric milk contains curcumin, the active compound in turmeric that gives it the vibrant color and powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming turmeric milk regularly can have a significant impact on your health and well-being. Here are some incredible health benefits of turmeric milk. By drinking turmeric milk regularly, you may experience relief from conditions such as arthritis and joint pain. Turmeric milk is also believed to support liver health by promoting detoxification and improving liver function.
If you are enjoying this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. The antioxidant properties in turmeric milk can help fight against free radicals and protect your cells against damage. If you're looking to boost your brain health, turmeric milk may be able to assist you. Curcumin has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and may be able to help improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of brain disorders. Drinking turmeric milk may also help improve digestion by promoting the production of certain digestive enzymes. This can lead to better nutrition absorption and a decrease in digestive issues such as bloating and gas. If you're struggling with sleep, turmeric milk may become your new nighttime drink of choice. It contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which can help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Turmeric milk's calming properties can help alleviate stress and anxiety, making it a perfect bedtime ritual. Not only is turmeric milk beneficial for your physical health, but it can also improve your skin's appearance. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help reduce acne, improve skin complexion, and fight signs of aging. If you're looking to maintain a healthy weight, turmeric milk can be a great addition to your diet plan. Curcumin has been shown to enhance weight loss efforts by increasing metabolism and promoting fat burning. Making turmeric milk is simple. Just heat up your choice of milk and stir in a teaspoon of ground turmeric and some honey or maple syrup to sweeten if desired. Remember to add a pinch of black pepper as it enhances curcumin's absorption in the body. So why not incorporate turmeric milk into your daily routine and experience the numerous benefits it has to offer? Please note that the advice and tips provided in this video are intended for general informational purposes only. They should not be taken as professional medical advice or used as a substitute for professional health care. If you have found our content helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll join a supportive community dedicated to healthy living, and you'll never miss out on our latest tips and information. Hit the subscribe button and let's continue this journey towards healthier, happier lives together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Live long after 50.